Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, wow, I'm so glad I get to stay over tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, Isabella?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We're gonna be buying the Goldie Daddy Poopy all night. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Let's drink a good soda. All right, Blaze. Excuse me.
Whoa, Blaze, that was a big burp.
I guess it was. Yeah. Actually, that was kind of fun. Wow. Oh man, Blaze. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. This reminds me when my other self burped.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, Blaze, you're burping so much. Yeah. Yeah, the soda you drank is really giving you the burpees. Yeah. Yeah, it really did give you the burpees. Yeah. Well, I think I got some more in me.
Wow, Blaze.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
It's almost kind of like an addiction.
A little burping addiction.
Yeah. I actually kind of like burping now. Yeah. Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh boy. Now that Blaze is burping everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh my god, is that the best idea?
Who would, Amy?
How about you burp on the Goldie idiot?
Oh!
Oh yeah!
Yes! Burp on him!
Yes! Oh, that's an amazing idea!
Yeah! Oh yeah, burp on our daddy! Yes!
Oh man, I love to see that!
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh yes, that's the best idea of you, Blaze, burping on the Goldie idiot!
Yeah, cause that'd be so funny! Yeah! Alright then, I'll do it. Just get him in here. Okay. Actually, you know what? How about I teleport him in here?
Oh, just like your other self does? Oh, that'll be cool.
Alright, let's see if I can do it. Alright, Goldie is gonna be licking toilet runner right now!
How the frick did I get in the bathroom? I was only just in my bedroom and now I'm here! What the frick?
Looks like it worked! Yeah! Oh yeah!
Why the frick was I in the bathroom looking toilet water? Because Isabella teleported you in the bathroom? Are you kidding me as a brat?
Yeah!
What are you even doing here?
Cause I can't be here!
You did not just lick me!
Yes, I did!
Oh man, Isabella!
Oh yeah! But anyways, Mr. Idiot, Goldie Stupid, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, Goldie Stupid, we got you in here for a reason.
What the frick do you want from me? I was literally about to take my beauty sleep!
We don't care about your beauty sleep. Goldie, get over here.
What do you want, you stupid cat? Oh yeah, do it, Blaze.
Yeah!
Did you just burp in my face?
Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah, that's what you get! Yeah!
Oh, that's disgusting!
Oh yeah, how'd you like that burp?
Yeah! I bet it smelled good, didn't it?
Yeah.
No, I did not. It stunk.
Well, you might as well love Mr. Blaze burps. Yeah. Quit your screaming.
Yeah.
Yeah, quit the wasp screaming. Yeah. Get over here, because I got more for you.
No. Hey, let go of me, he's a brat.
Never! Yeah, hold him, Isabella. Yeah, you're about to have your face full of Blaze's burps. Yeah! So get ready.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, enjoy those burps. Yeah! Yeah! How about we burp on his face next? Yeah!
No.
Yes!
Stop it.
Never! Okay, let's all burp on him now.
No.
Yeah! Right, get over here, Daddy! My turn! Get over here! Yeah! I'm gonna save myself for last. Come here, Daddy Poopy. Or should I say, Dookie Goldie Daddy? Oh yeah, that's the name that my other self gave him. Yeah. Yeah, so get over here, Dookie Daddy. Come here.
Why am I doing this?
Because you can do this. Yeah.
What kind of burp was that?
Get over here, boy. Now me. Yeah, come here. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, this is so fun.
Yeah.
Now come to me. Now me. Yeah. Yeah. My turn. Oh yeah, I better go to Isabella.
I don't want to.
Well, too bad. Yeah, how do you feel?
Yeah. Yeah, how do you feel about the girls burping in your face?
Yeah. Okay, on the last one. So come to me again.
I don't want to.
Well, you got no choice, go, you idiots. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Oh man, that was long.
Yeah!
Oh my god. I'm so glad you're doing this, Blaze.
Yeah! Yeah! Ooh, I just had another great idea.
What?
Isabella, come here so he doesn't hear it. Okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
None of your business. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. This will require 3 people, which will be me, Blaze, and Tikal.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna be farting on his face, Tikal's gonna be pooping on his face, and Blaze's gonna be burping on his face. Ooh! Nice! Ooh, yeah! Oh yeah, that'll be fun! Yeah! Alright, you can uncover his ears. Eh! Hey, Goldie Daddy!
What?
Lay down on the bed.
No!
You better lay down.
Yeah. The frig are you gonna do if I don't?
What you doing?
No, I don't want to hear that.
You don't want to hear that, then you better lay down. What you doing?
Say that one more time. I will hit you.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Fine. Yeah, you better lay down.
Yeah. Okay. Now close your eyes.
Fine.
Now let's get ready, girls. Yeah. But first, let me get my skirt up. Oh yeah. Showing that orange booty. Yeah. Alrighty then, baby. Oh, I cannot wait for this. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be absolutely funny. Yeah. Anyways, Goldie idiot, be ready.
Ready for what?
You'll see. Yeah. Oh man. Oh yeah.
Alright, so you girls are ready?
Yeah. Alright, so go Dookie. Yeah. So on the count of 5/4, you're gonna open your eyes and see what you're gonna get.
Oh!
Alright, I'll handle that.
Yeah.
Oh man, I cannot wait for this.
Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
Whatever it is, I'm not ready for it.
Well, you might as well be ready. Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the frick is this?
Yeah. Here goes the poop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is what you get, Mr. Goldie Stupid. In fact, I should send Mister. That's my thing. Yeah, but anyways, this is what you get, Goldie Dookie. Yeah, Dookie Goldie Daddy. Yeah, so Amy's farting on your face, Nicole's pooping on your face, and Blaze is burping on your face. Yeah. Yeah. I'm endlessly farting, Nicole's endlessly pooping, and Blaze is endlessly burping.
Why?
Because they can. Yeah. Yeah, because they can, Goldie Dookie.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
How much crap you got in you?
A lot.
And she's letting it out all on you.
You're gonna be stinking tonight.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to do like multiple shows to get all this stink off. Yeah, the farts, the poops, and the burps. Yeah.
Oh yeah. How do you feel?
Oh, I have no feeling.
Well, you might as well buy one. Yeah, buy one for your loser, Daddy.
I don't care. I'm not buying a feeling.
Well, then you're forever a loser.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so hilarious.
Yeah. Oh yeah, watching Goldie getting roared on, pooped on, and burped on at the same time. Yeah.
Oh man, it's starting to stink in here.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh yeah, this is so funny. Yeah.
I'm done. Me too.
All right, and me three.
Oh yeah.
No, that was hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel,
Dookie Daddy. Yeah.
How do you feel? How do you feel about Amy farting on your face, me endlessly pooping on your face, and Blaze endlessly burping on your face?
Yeah. You might as well love it.
Yeah.
Because we might as well just gonna do that to you every single day now. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this was fun.
Yeah. Look at you. Yeah, you're covered in my poop, Daddy. Oh yeah.
Not again.
Yeah.
Might as well go clean up your poopy self. Oh yeah. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was hilarious. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, how do you feel, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, how do you feel about Amy farting on you, Nicole pooping on you, and Blaze burping on you? Yeah. How do you feel about all of that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
All of you are freaking disgusting.
We don't care.
Yeah.
We can be discussing all we want. Yeah. We're never gonna quit doing these things to you.
Yeah. No matter how many times you tell us to quit, we'll never stop.
Yeah, so you might as well shut up and deal with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. I'm going to bed.
Whatever.
Ah.
Hold on, before you go. I got one more thing for you.
I swear to God, if you burn in my face again, I will lose it.
Oh yeah. All right. Wow. That was strong.
Man, why you shaking like that, fella?
Yeah. Yeah, why you so mad for?
Yeah!
Yeah, come on, Goldie idiot, it's just a burp.
Yeah!
There he goes again.
Yeah, and again he's slamming the door.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this was a blast. Yeah. But anyways, I think it's time for us to all go to sleep now.
Yeah!
Oh boy, this was so fun. Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Oh man. Cannot wait to go see Goldie Daddy more tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah!
Oh man, this was so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, me burning on the Goldie its face all night. Yeah, and me farting on his face. And me endlessly pooping on his face.
Yeah.
I did not know you had all those poops in you, Tico. Yeah. Well, how can you blame me? I do poop on them every day. Yeah. Even though we girls also poop on them every day as well, but you do it the most.
Yeah!
Yeah. Yeah, but anyways, that's all, folks. We'll see you on the next video. Good night, everybody.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, let's all hit the hay now.
Yeah!
This was just hilarious. Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah. But anyways, good night, guys. Yeah.